Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
The power of dreaming big. Sometimes people tell us that our dreams are too far away, too big to reach. They say, be realistic, or that's not meant for people like you. But is that really true? Can anyone decide the limits of our dreams except us? Today's story is about a boy named Ethan who grew up in a quiet countryside town in England. His family wasn't rich. His father was a mechanic and his mother worked at a small bakery. From a very young age, Ethan had one dream to become a pilot. Every evening, he would sit near the old airfield at the edge of town and watch the planes take off. The sound of the engines filled his heart with hope. He would close his eyes and whisper, "One day I will be up there." But as he grew older, life didn't make it easy. Flight school was expensive, far beyond what his parents could afford. His friends laughed when he told them about his dream. Come on, Ethan. They say kids like us don't become pilots. That's for rich people. Still, he didn't give up. After finishing school, he started working at a local gas station. Every penny he earned went into his savings jar labeled my dream. When his friends went out on weekends, he stayed home studying aviation books he borrowed from the library. Years passed. One cold winter evening, he saw an advertisement, a scholarship program for students who wanted to study aviation abroad. The competition was tough with thousands of applicants, but Ethan decided to try. He wrote his essay late into the night, pouring his heart into every word. He didn't just write about wanting to fly, he wrote about what flying meant to him: freedom, purpose, a dream worth fighting for. Weeks later, an email arrived. It said, "Congratulations, Ethan, you have been selected for the International Aviation Scholarship." Tears filled his eyes. All those nights of hard work, all the years of sacrifice, they had finally paid off. Today, Ethan flies for one of the biggest airlines in the world. Every time his plane rises above the clouds, he smiles, remembering that small town boy who once looked up at the sky and dared to dream. So the next time someone tells you your dream is too big, remember Ethan's story. No dream is too big. Only the courage to chase it can be too small. Believe in yourself, work in silence, and let your success make all the noise. Ladies and gentlemen, dreams are the seeds of greatness. Every invention, every achievement, every movement that changed the world began in the mind of someone who dared to dream big. Dreaming big gives you direction. It gives you energy when others quit. It fuels you when life knocks you down. Because the truth is, life will challenge you. People will doubt you. You will doubt yourself, but you dream your vision. That's what keeps the fire alive. So don't be afraid to dream of something so massive that it scares you. Don't shrink your vision to fit the comfort of others. Dream so big that people laugh, because one day those same people will be the first to clap. Remember this: small dreams produce small results, big dreams create big change. Your dream is your gift to the world. Protect it, feed it, and fight for it because one day the dream could inspire millions. So, dream big, start now, and never ever stop believing that you can make it happen.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.